ho! Hey, what's up, Dutty Berry Uncut family? Please, I do actually have furniture at my yard, but as I tell you, I'm not show nothing until the place finally fix up. But yeah, this is day 4 of Vlogmas, and today is all one bag of randomness. I'll never really do nothing today, but I just have some little piece of content where I'm gonna put it together and show you how things kind of went. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of what happened. A little video whenever include when I went to LP Azar. And then I'm going to show you me hanging out with my brethren Jermaine, and then a little bit of the behind the scenes of me doing my Popeyes shoot. So hopefully you enjoy it. Oh yeah, I'm book up WASP and AKEAM, and they were cool. I couldn't remember them name, but yeah. So check it out. Vlogmas day 4. Yo.
You see them YouTuber, yeah? You see them YouTuber a while ago, we were talking about whole entire things about the fact that Carrie's the common entrance. And she do a look at something there like GSAT, and I do pep. But she fight against me and don't want to make it look like a fax me a talk. And that's my fault. You remember, they go to school with like grace thrillers, them, you know.
And you don't know what that grace thrillers is?
I hear grace thrillers from my great-grandfather, my 4 parents. Every time I said them used to. And them write the first set of gospel songs them in Jamaica. You know them goodbye world and them because I don't know them because something that young people think now, like, you know, when it used to talk something about like up to the time and call people like dupes.
Yeah.
And like and like I
you
think
probably don't even know what a Nokia is.
What is that? I mean, it's either you have a Kia or not. You get me?
No,
so it's just like,
Nokia.
Yeah, like I don't know about that a while ago, but like I hear you people used to have something like irks and shame, what a disgrace, like that's
How you know the movements though? Your grandparents
so
flexible?
Yes, because they normally talk to us about it because they want to teach you. Dial up internet, I don't understand them life, you know. When you're young, you're swaggy, you don't know about like all asylum and pure plush and them look at something there. We young people now, we just know about online classes and them look at something else, you know. We're not going away, you get me?
Were you even born when there was a fiction?
Wait, what? I learned about facts and fiction in English class though, so I do, and fables and myths and legends. I know about them.
We have fiction.
No, I don't know about them.
Quad.
Quad? Is quad something outside of Portmore? Like,
No.
wow, I don't. But like, I say good, like, everybody can just be youthful and easy breezy. You get me? That's just how it goes, man. I just say go when you're young and you're trendy. You get me? Because this is how the kids are dressing nowadays. We really understand. I bet you not even know the new slang. You not even know the new slang when you
That's not a thing.
It's a new slang, like when you see a friend and you're like, it's like ask any one of these kids right now, them know it.
But these kids don't have friends because it's online. They don't know people.
True, we don't really need friends, but like, you know, we just like talk to strangers. It's a new thing. Strangers are your new family. You get me?
And play Roblox.
Yeah, your parents are just basically there to just pay your internet bill. Like, that's just how we living right now. Look at, there's somebody coming up right now, and I guarantee you when them country we're gonna know the new phrase.
Okay,
so they're
let's
coming
see.
up right now and say, oh the
Oh,
person
you know
already
what I
come.
mean?
But like, you see a fella, young person, you say, ka-pa-chung-chung.
Okay.
People, if you're watching this video, when you see your friends, them just say, ka-pa-chung-chung. I said, go, learn it now. Come on, try it, man, try it.
That's fine.
Try it, man, come
I'll
on
pass.
and try it. Ka-pa-chung-chung.
I'll pass.
Another day, today is the what?
Question mark.
We don't know because we're not going to school
18th.
right now. Today's 18th, that's what you said?
Yeah.
The 18th of November, so 1 month away from closing off the year. And we're there with Mr. Superman himself.
Hey guys, how
You
you
might know
doing?
him as Jeremy, you might know him as Scotty, I don't know what the girl him out the road call him. What them call you?
I have zero.
What them
over
call
right
you?
now. Right now it's
What them
boardman.
call you right now?
Right now it's a boardman mate. So hi guys,
board-
I'm Jeremy
board-
Watson.
Okay. Alright, big up
Smile
Pamela.
face.
Big up
I don't know.
Pamela. Show the people them Pamela.
Who? What?
Pamela, man.
I don't know.
You say you're old man, so I keep your company at night time. This I keep your company at night time. So that's what I say, you know, big up
Yeah,
Pamela.
give the secrets, brother.
But anyway, somebody up on the road because him say need for get a HDMI
Literally, I
cable.
call the man and tell him, yo, I just going to halfway through, but we need to have a meeting. My youth comes fully decked out.
No,
Check up on the
because
streets.
if you know Jermaine could literally just like on him way and him get a call say him need for to be a part of some sandals board meeting and then you have then you know you walk in your like a yard clothes and slippers now. When you know the shrimps that him just going in the back of film car now, pop out like one little vest and film outfit change. Just like that. So you have to know when you have your friend them, you have to know your friend them and plan accordingly.
That has
Okay.
happened at least 3 times.
Like, see them look at something there. Anyway, so you get the HDMI cable. Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to Well, I say welcome back to, I don't even remember the name of my channel. But yeah, this is the Dutty Berry Uncut Channel. And so today, I think I'm planning to go to PBCJ. I need to set up the set for the little show I'm gonna have. But right now, I'm at Popeyes on Canton Spring Road. And I'm about to go and try the chicken sandwich. And yeah, so apparently I'm gonna start to some people. Hopefully they don't really embarrass me and kind of shame me. I am very hungry at the moment. I'm gonna make sure I starve myself before I go up on camera come here and say I want it to be like natural and authentic. So yeah, follow what I'm gonna do today.
One more session.
So now I'm down, we're in a Buffalo move location with the Popeyes now. What's Jesus Christ? Alright, so in a move location now, when I move to the Popeyes where they at half a tree limelight. Apparently we need to go to some Vox Pop and ask some people some questions. But me I wait on some of the Popeyes staff member them. What is it? Alright. I'm a vlog me I do, you know what I'm going. Alright, so big up. So you get it.
What's up, AKEAM?
Wait.
Yeah, you know it.
I see one video one time. Somebody sent one video, so I look a while ago.
Yeah. So just remember, you might put the link in my bio. Yeah. You see it? Yeah. Major.
So when it does randomly, a big Friday like now, when it does randomly, then after trade do.
Alright, no, we just come. We have a store over.
Oh, okay.
You see it? So
Okay.
yeah. We do some business in the plaza and we are heading right now. You don't know.
Alright, try to check out the fashion and things. See there? See there fresh. Alright, bless you.
Mag it for your thing. I'm not drinking. I mean, my boss, I drink. Magnum or Red Label?
Red Label, why?
Red Label.
Yes.
I mean.
I see what is commercial about?
Popeyes.
Popeyes, oh Jesus Christ, Popeyes,
Yeah,
Popeyes. I have one of the greatest things to tell you about Popeyes.
So you need a sandwich man, not the Red Label. You need a sandwich man.
Yes, the 600, number 6.
Number
6 is in the sandwich in Popeyes.
Number 6, alright. What you say about the thing now?
Popeye has brought a corn on the cob.
Yeah.
And I can tell you,
Yeah.
some of the world's greatest suckers buy the corn on the cob, sprinkle the salt in it, and he sucks the bottle off. One of the nicest corn on the cob Popeye has bring. First the coleslaw.
Yeah.
Keep it up, Popeye, and I love Popeye.
All right,
Corona
man.
or no Corona.
Yeah.
Popeye said, I will deliver the chicken at your yard. A
Yeah.
bike man, I deliver the chicken. So
Yeah.
even if you're afraid for come, bike I deliver the chicken at your
Alright,
yard.
boss.
God bless Popeye.
Cool, man. Big up yourself, man.
All right, that word. And what is that? Can I get some chicken?
Yeah, man. When I'm done, I'm going to talk to you, man. Yeah, man.
All right.
But-
What I
but-
gave you is a serious thing.
No, but move, you know. No,
I'm
but
not
move, man.
moving. What
Yeah,
I
man.
gave you is a serious thing.
Okay, give her the winnings. Can we give her the winnings? Yes, okay, you get the winnings. So what's your name again? Lati. Anybody who wants to big up? Big up all our family. Make sure
Yeah,
about good
big
food
up
and
everybody. I mean, it's a big
all right,
thing. I don't know.
all right,
what
Lati.
it is.
Let me give you anything.
I appreciate it.
Yes. Well. That is it for Vlogmas Day 4. Why am I on the floor? I am so weird. I'm disgustingly weird. But anyhow, make sure to say you like, you share, you comment. Subscribe if you're new. It is Duttyberry Uncut. This is my channel and only 2,000 subscribers already. And it feel like I'm a million. Cause honestly, it's like it's so nice to watch this channel grow now. So yeah, man. Bye. Until what am I gonna do tomorrow? Hopefully something more exciting.